Hi, my name's Chris from LifterLMS, and I wanted to talk to you today about how excited I am about Openverse, which is basically a new way of approaching Creative Commons images and audio, and I think video in the future on your WordPress website to be able to basically get access to that media and then use it inside of your posts. Now, I come from the world of e-learning, so this is online courses, training-based membership sites. That's what our tool LifterLMS allows you to build. And the thing about education and creating online learning is that a teacher, an instructor, an expert often needs visual aids and various multimedia ways of communicating to address all the different learning styles. So I'm super excited about the Openverse project. In many ways, the way WordPress democratizes, publishing and giving the ability for anybody to create words and leverage a community of software developers, theme developers, plugin developers to create these dynamic websites, moving beyond pressing the words and making it easier for people, especially educators in the use case that I'm super involved with, to source a palette of high quality images, audio, and video is a great innovation for the creators out there using WordPress. So I'm super excited about the future of Openverse.